Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, this is one of my favorite subscriptions in the whole wide world. This is the BOLZANO subscription. This is actually a handbag subscription. Now, because of COVID, it was out for a few months, but it's finally back, and I cannot tell you how excited I am. So, if you want to see what handbag I got, what it's all about, how much is it worth it? And about a couple months ago, I actually had a BOLZANO giveaway. So if you want to know who won that giveaway, then keep on watching. Alright, really quick, I wrote it down on the paper. So about 3 or 4 months ago, BOLZANO and I had a giveaway where you would win your very own BOLZANO handbag. And the winner is Toby Gonzalez right here. And after I did that video back in March, I believe, is when everything happened with COVID. So small businesses and stuff had to kind of like shut down. It slowed down, and now it's finally up and popping. So I'm so excited. Like, I love this subscription. So there's a couple subscriptions you can get. You can get what is called the Luxe subscription, and is what I have. And you get your handbag every month, and then you also get accessories and companions. Or you can get the less expensive one, which is you would get the handbag and just the accessories. Also, when you, I'm going to leave the link down below, but if you type in ANNEGIFT, then you get a free gift up to $45 worth of value. So that's pretty good as well. Alright, one other thing I want to say before I open this beauty up is that you do get do a little survey, and it's like 52 questions. It's like a lot of questions that tells you your styles, your colors, what type of theme that you have. One thing I do like about this subscription, if you do receive your bag and you don't like it, it wasn't the style that you picked out, then you mail it back free of charge, and they mail you another one. Now, if it's something in the category that you picked and you just don't care for it, then you pay for shipping and you mail the purse back, and then they'll mail you another one. Alright, let me get that out before I forget. And like I said, I'm so excited. I always pick I like different colors, you know. I don't mind the colors and stuff. All right. Ooh, this is pretty. Pretty. Okay. So, mine is this beautiful blue color. What? It matches my background. Like, I love this. And this is the back. And then it always says BOLZANO somewhere. But this is really, really pretty. Ooh, I like it. Okay. I like the fact, too, you always get a dust bag with your pocketbooks. I love that so much. Alright, so when you look at it, that's what it looks like. And then everything should be inside, like all the accessories and stuff. So when you open it up, you have everything that's in there. So let me take everything out. That way I can show you what the pocketbook looks like inside. Alright, I think I got everything out. There's always little compartments that have things in it. Alright, so the back right here has this zipper. And it is black inside. Then when you open it up, that's what it looks like. So you have a big spacious, like, in the middle. And then here you have a few pockets. And then over here, you have like a little zipper, if you can see. Now, it always comes with like, I was going to say a belt, but a big what's that thing called? Strap. So you can either, you know, carry it like this or like this, or have the strap one. I just noticed too, this is a cute little piece right here, the silver. And I just really, really like it. Also here you have the little feet thingies here, so you can, you know, put it down. And I love the fact that, you know, you can wear it either way. So it's really, really pretty. All right. So let's go over really quick. Then there was this. I think this goes with the pocketbook too. Ooh, this is one of those, whatchamacallit? What are those things called? I forget. Tassels? Yes. Look. So most of the time you get like a little BO for Bolzano. This is a little sticker thing. I'm not going to take that off yet. But I love this. So you can stick it here, anywhere you want. I just put it right here really quick, and that's what it would look like. But you can put it, you know, anywhere that you want. All right, so that's pretty cool. I mean, it really does make a big difference. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so let's go over really quick everything that came in there. So the first thing you get is from Clarins, which is an expensive brand. And this is the Body Lift Cellulite Control. Yes, yes. And like I said, you don't have to get all this if you can't afford the $40 a month. It used to also be where you can just get the handbag. I think it was like $30 or something like that. Like I said, I will leave everything down below. Okay. So this came a little dirty a little bit, I guess from the travel. But let's see. Yeah, it's like oh, it smells actually pretty good. So it's like a little lotion. Ooh, all right. I'm liking this. Anything to help me with like cellulite or anything like that, give it to me. All right, the next thing is from Clinique, and here is like a little lipstick. So it's a little swatch. I think this might be a lip gloss. Yeah, it's like a lip gloss, like a little purple lip gloss. And guys, you know I love me some lip gloss. All right, so we have that. Then we have this thingy here. I think these are like little tattoos. All right. I made like a mess trying to get this thing open. Come on. And you have some tattoos here, which are really cute for the summer. So you have different ones that you can get. And here's like a little, you know, you could put it any way. I think it's kind of cute, like an accessories, you know? So I'm definitely going to play around with this and check it out. All right, and then you have this. So you get a little makeup bag. All right, this is right here. So this tells you about your pocketbook. This retails for $185, this pocketbook. Holy cow. And so, you know, it's definitely worth it. There has not been a pocketbook for me that I haven't liked. Except for one time, it was more like a backpack. And I'm not really into that, but my daughter loved it. So, all right. It says this month we have chosen our Sabelli especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $185. Sabelli is part of our latest collection, and it comes in sky blue, which is what I got, cayenne, and black pepper. All right. So let's just see what is in here really quick. I'm going to take everything out. Oh, wow. So you get quite a few things in here. Now, the makeup bag, I'm not going to lie, it's not really my style. I wish it had something, I mean, it has the blue in here. I guess they're going for, you know, to kind of match. But I wish it was like all blue, or I don't know. It's just not my style, but it's like in canvas. But I can find something else, some kind of use for it. All right, so here is another lip gloss, so it must have fell out. So then you have this like peachy color. And it's from Clinique as well. Okay. And then we have two nail polishes. So we have this, it's a gel in the shade Envy, and then you have the top coat, which I love the fact that you get a top coat with it. All right, the next thing we get are these sunglasses. Oh, I got a pair of sunglasses one time that I absolutely love, and let me just show you. See, the blue matches the pocketbook. I mean, I love this subscription. All right, so let's put these puppies on. How do I look, guys? It is almost 11 o'clock at night when I'm filming. Let's see what time it is. Yeah, 10:45. It's July 29th at night when I'm filming. But that's what I love about this. Like, I mean, how cool is that to get sunglasses that matches your pocketbook? Love that. And last but not least, I think this is like a bracelet. I'm not sure. Let's open her up. Like, seriously? This is probably one of my favorite subscriptions. Like, I love pocketbooks. I know some people say handbags, pocketbooks, purses. My daughter says purse. I say pocketbook. But I really, really do. This is one subscription that I would purchase on my own. Like, I don't think I would cancel this. I really, really love it. All right, so that's what she looks like. And what is you? What are you? Okay, so I guess it's a little necklace. It would go like, how would it go? It has a little bee right there. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's not my style, I'm not going to lie. I'll see if my daughter likes it. I mean, I'm sure it's somebody's style. It's just not mine, to be very honest. It's very, very pretty. So I'm going to put that back in there. All right, so let's recap really quick what we got this month. Well, what I got this month. I got this gorgeous bag. I have got this color. I've got like a yellow color. I got red, black. I have so many different colors. And I am the type of person, I like to coordinate. Like when I was in high school, back in the early 90s and in the late 80s, I would always, if I had a yellow shirt on, I'd have to wear yellow socks. If I had a purple shirt on, I had to wear purple socks. I always like to coordinate. And so if I would wear like something that matches this, or you know what I mean? So that's why I love getting all different colors and everything. I just really like pocketbooks a lot, and I'm dropping stuff. All right, so anyway, let's really quickly go. So we have this pocketbook. I love the fact that the sunglasses go with the pocketbook. I love that so much. I hope that she keeps doing that. I think that's really great. So then you have the nail polish. So you have like a reddish color and a top coat. You have two lip glosses, like a purple and a peachy color. Really, really pretty. You have this necklace. Like I said, I don't personally care for it, but it's somebody's style. You get a makeup bag, and it's really a good made, it's canvas. It's really a good made thing. And I see where they were going because that's the same color blue that is in there. It's just not my style. You know what I mean? And then you got these tattoos that I really think are pretty nice. So I like the fact that you get like a gold and a silver depending on what you like, and I definitely will play around with it. And that is everything that I got this month. I just love it so much. So let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like pocketbooks? Let me know what you feel about it. You know, what do you think? This is worth it? Like I said, I like the fact that there's different subscriptions that you can get, so there's a different price range. I like that as well. And yeah, don't forget, if you do want to purchase this, make sure you put ANNEGIFT, and that way you'll get a free gift up to $45 worth of value. So that's great. Let me see what the back of this card says. Okay, so if you sign up for this, for the quarterly box, you will get this clearance Body Lift Cellulite Control, and this values at $65. Holy cow. And then every month, what you will receive in the Luxe subscription is, of course, it says 1 purse, 2 to 3 accessories, and 4 beauty items. And then again, if you can always ship it back and get one that you like if it's something that you don't like. But yeah, that is everything. I don't know what else I have to say about a handbag. Let me know, like I said, what your comments are down below. What are your thoughts? So please give this video a like. It really does help me out. It only takes a second. And if you enjoy unboxings, if you like subscription boxes, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join the family. And don't forget to turn that notification bell on, and make sure that you double tap it and you have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future giveaways. I mean, no, not giveaways, videos. I'm thinking about giveaways because I have a giveaway coming up next week. So make sure that you subscribe and turn that bell on so you don't miss that video. And that is everything, guys. Stay blessed. Stay healthy, and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God. Why do I make videos so late all the time?